Did you know there's a shortcut to enter the edit mode? If you're editing content, it's pretty easy to get into the edit mode. You just click the pencil button in the gravity control. But did you know there's another way? If you press Ctrl and Alt, followed by G, the edit mode is activated. You might hit Ctrl, Alt and G again, you'll be turned back into user mode. The Ring menu has shortcuts of its own. If you want to exit the Ring menu without saving, you can do one of two things: click on the Cancel button in Step 4 or press the Escape key on your keyboard. There is another way to do this. Did you know that you can exit the Ring menu by clicking on the Gravity logo in the middle of the Ring menu? Why not try it out and tell us what you think?